Okay, for documentary purposes, the sun's coming up, and soon we're not going to be able to see any of that gold because of the glare. So we're going to show it right now. We are, I'd say, 2/3 of the way done with our material here, so probably about a bucket left. So yeah, a couple of pieces in the back. Nice one right there. Glad to see it's still there. Ooh, a couple of them building up in there. Good to know. And over there. Nothing back here though, which is good. That's, well, if I see stuff back here, that's when I clean it up.